Welcome to Lightning Proxies. In this video, we will show you how to set up proxies on iOS. First, log into your Lightning Proxies dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Generator, select your desired plan, and then click Generate. Adjust your plan settings, such as country targeting, pool type, and sticky or rotating sessions. After adjusting your plan settings, click Save Settings. Next, copy your full proxy so we can paste each field into the correct sections in the Proxies app. Open the Proxies app, tap Add Server, and choose Manual Input. Change the proxy type to HTTP, then paste the full proxy into the server field. Next, separate the proxy details. Remove the port from the server field and enter it in the port field. Then go to the Authentication section. Paste the username into the username field and the password into the password field. Save the proxy configuration and connect to the proxy you just created, and that's it. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Lightning Proxies.